Hello guys, in this video, we will solve the screen rotation problem. If you have this problem in this video, you will find the final solution. But before starting the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video and share the video, and thank you from the heart to everyone who supports it. Now let's go to the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to download your advertising bar. After that you will find the screen rotation icon. Now, if you have it, click on it, and the development will be done. If you have it and the screen is not rotated, then the matter is easy, and if you do not have it, then the matter is the same. Now click here on the pen mark, then click on reset here. After that, search for the screen rotation icon and drag it to the first interface. After that, click here on done. Then you will restart your phone, and thus you will find that the problem has been solved. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you like it and benefit it. For inquiries, for any problems, for any suggestions, and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.